guys, good morning. This is our day 6 of our Ladakh trip. Currently, we are going to drop our bikes at the service center because the service is due and we have covered around approximately 3000 kilometers. So, the service is due and we are going to drop the bikes today and we'll be working from here for a couple of days and we'll continue our journey. Gurugram is very well planned city and there are so many highways, flyovers and proper exits. Even though traffic is more, but there is no traffic jam as Bangalore. So it's very well planned. They have the proper road on the right and the service road on the left. So now we here have to take the right, and to take right there is no signal. So from service road I'm coming to main road, and from main road I have to take the exit to the right side. So they are just avoiding the traffic signals, so thereby avoiding the stopping the traffic. I think the city is very well planned. Wherever we go, we have this little bit traffic. So I think at junctions there will be some traffic. So here also we have. I think we are very near to the service center, and in the map it's showing the yellow color ahead. Maybe little bit of traffic ahead. Oh yeah, there is some junction, I guess. I have to see the map because we have to go whether flyover or have to take the left. They have to bring these feature in the maps which will say go above the flyover or go below the flyover. It's very important. The weather is nice. It's not too hot or too medium weather. Ahead, I have to take the U-turn. Yeah, here I have to take the turn. Let me go straight. I think this area is having everything like all the car service center, bike service center, everything at one place, I guess. So yeah, here I have to take left. Service center is at that corner. We'll wait for this car to go. See, if you see left and right, there are cars only. There are so many service centers of other companies as well. So yeah, we are almost there. Yes, we reached Mansil Motors Royal Enfield. So I dropped my bike. Now I'm going once back. Just navigating here and there. He wants to buy some tires for his bike because his tire is gone and it becomes splitty and play, so we need proper off-road tires. So we are in search of new tire shoes. Why are you honking? Is it coming back? I missed it. Simply honking. You should have some patience. Will avoid all glitches.
Looking like JC road, but little bit bigger road. Left side. Go stop. I think we reached. What was the shop name? Apollo Tires.
the tires in some other shop. Everywhere there is a traffic, even if it's planned and planned city. With the population we have, we should have traffic everywhere. Can't do anything. Oh, आराम से.
वाह बेटे वाह. लेफ्ट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट. हाँ इधर से. चलो 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 चलो. See that side? Right and left only itself. Use helmet only, I think.
So we bought some stuffs from that biking accessory shop. Now we are just heading towards home. Sorry, hotel where we have booked, uh, and I'm just attending the meeting and navigating, multitasking. The outcome of COVID.